Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a mask review and a nighttime routine kind of video. I've just washed my face, so let's get right into the video. So today we're going to be using a charcoal wash-off mask that I got in my Ipsy bag this month, and we're just going to see how it works, and I'm going to explain how it makes my skin feel, if you should use it, if you shouldn't use it, if it works for me, if it doesn't work for me, we gonna see. Now this is some messy stuff. Like, I would suggest using a brush to apply it, but I didn't want to get any of my makeup brushes dirty, so I just used my hands. Not the brightest idea, but you know. It says it unclogs pores and purifies them, which I really hope it does, because right now my face is going haywire. It might not look like it, but my pores look like crap. My hand was dirty, I don't even know. Okay, so the packaging says to leave it on for 15 minutes, so that is what I'm gonna do, and we're gonna make funny faces. Excuse this, please, I don't know, I'm sorry. Alright, so it's been 15 minutes, I'm back, homies. We gonna wash this off with a damp washcloth. It was coming off really clean, and I was really impressed with that, because a lot of times you go to wash off a mask and it like sloshes off. Do you know what I'm talking about? Where you go to wash off a mask and it just like muds together and it doesn't really come off. You're just rubbing it around on your face and it will not come off. I hate it. Okay, so my face has been washed and it feels really nice, and so I'm going to take some witch hazel as my toner and put that on a washcloth and rub it all over my face. I think I got this at CVS. It's super great. It's really gentle. It smells kind of weird, but you know, it's called witch hazel, so it's going to smell kind of weird, but Okay, so now I'm going in with my Isomers Accelerated Recovery Serum. Now, this is specifically put together to target wrinkles and hydrate skin, because what it says on the bottle is concentrated formulation provides intensive and effective skin firming and hydrating, targets wrinkles, improves elasticity, overall skin clarity, and radiance. And that stuff almost went in my nose and I wanted to gag. But basically, I have really dry skin. I don't have to worry about wrinkles just yet because I am 15, but it helps because my skin is so like grossly dry all the time no matter what I use. So I use the Isomer stuff, which my mom recommended to me, and the Arbonne RE9 Advanced Extra Moisture Restorative Day Cream, which is also for old people. I'm not gonna lie, like the hydrating stuff I use is for old people because my skin is like so dry. Okay, so I hope y'all liked this. I love the mask. It was great. It made my skin feel really, really soft, and I think it almost exfoliated a little bit, but it didn't have any exfoliants in it. I love my Isomer stuff, and I hope you guys have a super duper duper great day. Subscribe, like, and comment. Bye, guys.